Now, if you take a look at this particular question, this diagram you're looking at is a circle, and you can see the points P, Q, R, S, and the angle, the center O, and the radius of the circle. So let us see what this question wants us to do. Here it says, in the diagram, angle POQ is 150 degree. That is this angle you are seeing here, P. Angle POQ is 150 degree. And the radius of the circle, PSQR, that is PSQR, the radius is what? 4.2 centimeter. Then we are asked to take pi as 22 upon 7. Now, use the information to answer questions 21 and 22. Now, this question that we are looking at is drawn from Wassce 2022 General Mathematics. And right about now, I'm going to show to you how to solve this problem. Now, in question 1, that is 21, it says, find the length of the minor arc PRQ. Now, let us take a look at the diagram here. I took our time to draw this diagram. Now, we're looking for the length P, the length of arc PRQ, that is PRQ. Now, the distance from P to R to Q, you can see that PR is joined to the center of the circle O and subtends an angle 150 degrees. So this is the angle we are going to be using to solve for the length of arc PRQ. Now, length of arc PRQ, that is L arc, has the formula of 2 pi r theta upon 360. Now, what this means is that our pi is given to us as 22 upon 7. Then our radius is 4.2 centimeter. As you can see here, that's the radius. And then if you go further, you will see that the angle theta is given to us as 150 degree. Then we are looking for the length of arc according to the question. So what we have to do at this point now is to plug all these values into the formula. So we can come here to say, therefore, the length of arc will become, where we have our 2, first of all, we take out the angle, which is 150 divided by 360. Then multiply by these 2 you see here. Multiply by 2, multiply by pi. The result of pi, or the value for pi, is 22 upon 7. Then multiply by the radius. The radius is 4.2. Now, in the next step here, we are going to multiply 150 times 2 times 22 times 4.2. In multiplying this with our calculator, we shall arrive at 27720. Then we divide this by, we multiply the denominator 360 times 7, and this will give us 2520. Now, if you divide 27720 by 2520, you are going to arrive at 11 centimeters. So this is going to be the answer for this question. Let's quickly check to see if the answer is there. Of course, you can see that option A, which is 11.00 centimeter, is the right option. Now, quickly, let's go over to 22, question 22. Now, question 22 says that we should find the area of the sector OPSQ. Now, where is the sector OPSQ? We are talking about OPSQ. You can see that as we move from O to P to S and back to Q, we are concerned about this shape here. And we need the reflex angle here. That is this part that I'm just drawing now. And let's call it alpha. All right. So you will know that for me to get my alpha, I have to subtract 150 from alpha. What does this mean? In 22, therefore, in question 22, the first thing we are going to do is to say alpha plus 150 to give us what, 360 degree. That is what? Angles at a point. So we can collect our like terms to get our theta, our alpha, which we are going to use as 360 minus what? Minus 150. In doing this, we are going to arrive at 210 degree. So this is the angle we are going to be using to find the area of the sector. So we come up here to continue. Let's take it up. So we can get the area of the sector, that is A sec, by using the formula pi r square theta upon 360 degree. So pi r square theta upon 360 degree, this will give us the area for the word sector OPSQ that we are looking for. So now we take our angle. In this case, our angle is 210 divided by 360, and we shall multiply that by the value for pi, which is 22 upon 7, then multiplied by what? Our 4.2 squared. Now 4.2 squared means 4.2 times 4.2. So in doing this, we shall arrive at 210 divided by 360, then multiplied by 22 upon 7. Then our 4.2 times 4.2 comes in, 4.2 comes in here. Then if we multiply out all these numerators that we have here, that is 210 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 4.2 multiplied by 4.2, we shall arrive at 81496.8. This is what we shall arrive at. And if we come to the denominator and multiply 360 by 7, we are going to arrive at 2520. Now this value we got here, if we divide 81496.8 by 2520, the answer we shall arrive at will be 32.34 centimeter. And this time, since we are looking for area, we are going to put the unit here as what? Squared. So this shall be the answer of this question. Now if we quickly go to question 22, we shall see that the right answer here is what? 32.34 centimeter square.